Hello guys, today we're gonna play some Subway Surfers and it's gonna be very fun. Now let's see if we can make it to 1049 and 658. Come on. Okay, we're going good. We're going slow. We're doing very well. Okay. Ah! I just got some keys. Okay, we're going good. I only died once. Mounts. Okay, we're going good. Oh my god, shoot. Why is this game so fun? Dang it! Sorry, just an ad. And the score was 9,000, 90,000, 90. I can barely speak. 95,633. So we went over it. That's cool. Let's go clean these. Now let's just watch an ad. Bro. Yeah. We just gotta wait till this ad is done. Then we could go back, collect those stuff, like how much stuff we get, like coins and those other ones. Yeah, easy. And that was so fast. I swear they keep making these ads like they look trash. And that was our goal to that was not our goal to get that, but we went past it. And that's all for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. Hit that subscribe button, or if you guys don't want to, that's okay, or you could just hit the like button. And see you next time. Bye.